Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we watch a wedding from our room balcony. Then we order some tasty dinner room service. Then we go out for a walk and do a super mini resort tour. Then we head back to our room and find some fancy turn-down service going on. Get ready to watch the fun. Turn-down service. Dave and Rose Travels. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. I decided to open up the patio doors and look out, and I found this ever so cute wedding that was going on. Wait a moment, if you haven't seen our last video where we take you along with us for some fancy chocolate and coffee tasting at Cacao, that's a must-see. This patissier and its chef were in an article of Forbes. Being in an all-inclusive resort has its perks, like deciding to order some super tasty room service dinner and literally get to eat it oceanside, being that we have our partial ocean view room. Just look at this view, you guys. Can't beat that view or this food. After that tasty room service, we decided we wanted to take a little walk around the resort. The resort grounds are definitely well maintained. I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful. And the water features are a plus. When in Cancun, make sure you go out at night and just check out how it looks at the pool. It's always beautiful. And if you're into high dollar luxury, look at this. You could literally buy anything that your heart desires while here at the BLANC Spa Resort. Do you need some fancy sunglasses? They got every kind you can think of. Now to go to a fancy bar and have a beer. And after our 2 Modelo Especials and our Don Julio shot, we went back to our room and found some ever so fancy turn-down service going on. Orthopedic pillow, chocolates, slippers, turn-down service, aromatherapy, special artisan soap, and special bath salts. If you like. After that ever so fancy turn-down service, we saw some lights and commotion and noises going on outside, so we decided to look out and see what was going on. We're pretty sure that that's Secrets of the Vine over there, another adults-only all-inclusive, having some fancy fireworks. That place is fancy as ish as well. Subscribe.
The next day,
make sure you subscribe so you can see our upcoming video where we take you along with us on a beach walk of, in my opinion, the most beautiful beach in the world, located right here on the Caribbean Ocean. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that. It's the only way. Subscribing is the only way. Maybe give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video is released. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We only have a few more videos left of BLANC Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive, so make sure you subscribe so you can see those. We have some fancy Lumiere video coming up. If you don't know about Lumiere, you gotta look it up. It's a world-renowned French restaurant, guys.